As the introduction of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 draws near, it will be fascinating to see how it performs and learn about one feature that has been mentioned before. Although Samsung chose to employ the same processor as the Galaxy S23 Ultra, this might be the largest improvement to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Performance matters because of the new processor. This one is for the global version of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and we can see 1845 single-core score and 5083 multi-core score. Slightly less than what we have seen on the Galaxy S23 Ultra and much better than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. And this could be the reason for you to get Galaxy Z Fold 5, just for a new processor as it is getting older. Now that this Geekbench score has confirmed a few additional details, we may expect to get Android 13 out of the box along with UI 5.1.1 as new software. Z Fold 5 will now receive a few new features with software updates, stock apps, and new flex modes. The interesting news is that Galaxy Z Fold 5 will receive 4 years of significant software updates and 5 years of security updates, which is more than enough for an affordable phone. The Galaxy Z Fold 5's battery life will be affected by the new processor it receives. It will have the same 4400 mAh battery as the Z Fold 4. But with the new processor's improved power efficiency, we can anticipate significant advancements over the Z Fold 4 from the previous year, with at least 2 hours more screen time. Additionally, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will only accept a 25-watt fast charger. The Fold 5 does not support a 45-watt charger. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will feature a new water drop hinge that turns the device into a flat folder and adds a few updates. However, there are no new durability ratings for the Z Fold 5 new hinge, so that's the other significant update in addition to the processor. By using this innovative hinge design, you'll have the same protection as the Z Fold 4. Comparatively speaking, the Z Fold 5 weighs around 253 grams as opposed to 263 grams in the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Additionally, because of the flat folded design, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will appear much thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.